Morning from Vegas. I've spent the last 2 days walking the halls of CONEXPO, and beneath all the flash tech, there is one brutal reality driving this industry. Nobody can find experienced labor, and side costs are through the roof. Every heavy machine here is using AI and 3D assist for one reason: to turn a complete rookie into a 10-year veteran instantly. It really struck a chord with me. At Epic, we manufacture scaffolding and temporary roofs. It's steel and aluminum, not AI. But the underlying commercial logic is exactly the same. Today, what actually matters is whether the system is idiot-proof to install, and if it saves you hiring 2 extra guys on site. But honestly, starting at equipment isn't the real reason I flew the halfway across the globe. So after the show, I had a lot of fun with our partner here. We hit the casino, played some pool, had dinners. A lot of people think these dinners are for pitching products or haggling over prices. No sense. Big orders are never negotiated over steak. So what do we talk about? We talk about the brutal truth. He looked at me in the eye and gave it to me strict. He had a proper moan about the last bunch of safety fans. He told me exactly which clip his lens on site could found a bit too stiff to handle. And you know what? I love it. I didn't fly 10,000 miles to hear someone tell me my product is perfect. I flew here to hear what's wrong with it, so my factory can fix it. We joked around, took the mickey out of each other, and he even taught me some proper American slang. In that moment, we were just just a buyer and a supplier anymore. We were mates who've been in the trenches together. That's what business is actually about. I'm here. I don't run a casino, and I don't expect my clients to gamble with their site safety. If you want a supplier who hides behind a polished brooch, keep it going. But if you want a supplier who faces music, listens, and involves with you, let's talk. See you back in China.